Well, I'm gonna come out here and do a cold start on it here, yellow wrecker. Old Yeller, we call it. Move it. Got me a new camper. Boxed in trailer. Went and picked it up yesterday. On tow. We'll bring one out of it. Needs a whole axle. They didn't want to pay that much for it. So, went and bought another one. And told them I'd take that, trade for the tow. So, that's what I got. Slap some bearing, ground the spindle back down, or the hub back down, and put the bearings in it. Had to cross thread a big nut back on it. Hold the bearings and hub on. It'll work good enough. We're using it for storage. Well, this is the pedal pumping. Cold start. Hopefully this thing starts. Try it again. This thing ain't been started for, I don't know, 4 or 5 days. We'll move everything around so we'll get more room in here.